Alright, it took me longer than I really wanted to, but to get this camera turned on. But here we are on 28, brand new pavement. Apologies for not having the camera on earlier. On the 4 lane, I was following that yellow Carrera there, and she probably doesn't realize how lucky that she is that she did not get herself a ticket today. I don't know how she didn't get a ticket. But the deputy pulled over one of those stupid Hyundai pickup trucks, and I'm pretty sure that the deputy shot her with the radar. And then the trooper that was following the deputy, he hit her, but she was only doing about 70 when he hit her. I guess he decided to let her go. It was her lucky day. This road is dirty. I do not know how far they have paved this. The first couple miles was pretty clean. So we must be getting close to what they did yesterday, because the rain hasn't had a chance to clean this off. This is dirty. That's the big rocks right there. I gotta say, they're doing this pretty quick. New asphalt with sand and debris all on it. Ugh. It's almost a motorcyclist's nightmare. It's smooth though. I'm here to tell you, when they're done, we get a couple rainstorms behind us, this road's going to be right. As of right now, it is. Oof. Sketchy. I don't feel they're working today. I haven't seen any asphalt. Well, I spoke too soon. You could say I haven't seen any asphalt trucks, but there was one. This road's kind of bumpy at speed at the pace I'm going, but it should be okay. It's a lot better than what it was. It's a lot better than that patchwork they did. It feels like they widened it also. It could just be me, but it feels like the lane's about a foot wider on each side. Man, this lady in the Carrera, she doesn't know how lucky she is. Wow. They got a lot of road paved in the last 3 weeks. Yeah, fellers, I'm not going to pass her until we get back to Old Pavement. We got a bike from Florida. There's another bike up there. I can't tell where they're from. But then look at that Toyota with the big wing on it. If that's not the most LGBTQ thing we see today. There's an asphalt truck. I gotta tell you, the road looks nice. I watched a video the other day about making asphalt roadway out of old tires. I would think riding around on old tires, that road would be super grippy. US 28 is absolutely one of my favorite roads in this area. If you get an opportunity to ride from Deals Gap to Walhalla, South Carolina, or either from Walhalla up to Deals Gap, staying on US 28, you absolutely need to do it.